Hi, this is Patrick at Birding Field Guides, and in this short video, I'm going to show how you can use some of the features on our field guide apps. So this is the Belize Birds Field Guide app, showing the birds listed by name. You can also see the birds listed or organized by group and family. Touch range, and the range maps are shown next to each species. We can also go to the top of the screen to search by the bird's name. For example, let's look for woodpeckers. As we type in the word wood, all birds with wood in their name appear. Everything from woodpeckers to wood peewees and wood nymphs. But finish typing woodpecker, and only the woodpeckers are shown, at least the species with woodpecker in their name. Let's look at one of the more common woodpeckers in Belize, a bird called the Velasquez woodpecker. This one was split from golden front. We can see images of the bird, touch the music note to hear it, mark it as seen, heard, as a target species, or take notes on it. Touch the eye in the upper right corner of the screen, and we can see field marks and other information about the species. Here we have it marked as a target. You can make a note, and it shows that at the bottom of the information for the bird. We can also see the search filter. If searching for woodpecker by group, we can see a short description there showing how many species occur in Belize and just some information about woodpeckers. Touch back, and only the woodpeckers are shown. We can also further customize our searches by looking only at the common woodpeckers, for example. Scroll to woodpeckers, and then scroll to the status for them. Click on common, touch done, and only the common woodpeckers of Belize will be shown. I hope you have a wonderful time in Belize, punctuated by jabiroos, keel-billed toucans, and hundreds of other exotic tropical birds. Hope to see you there.